This is Professor Arsenault, Comp Sci 201, Section 60, Fall 2022. And this is a short video on installing pip in, on Windows if you've been having problems. Now, this particular demo uses Windows 11. If you have Windows, I will talk about how it's different, but this should work for you reasonably well. The key is to have the path in which Python and pip are stored on your computer in your environment variable. Okay, so let's talk about environment variables. Now, what I did was I went down to the search box on the bottom of the Windows 11 screen and I typed control panel. Actually, I only had to type in, and then it was saved for me or found for me by Windows. So this is what happens when you open the control panel in Windows 11. What I want to do is click on System and Security right here. So I'll do that. Then I want to click, when that opens, on the next menu in System. Then I want to come down to this right here, this choice right here, Advanced System Settings. So I open Control Panel, System and Security, open System, and now I'm clicking on Advanced System Settings. The menu that pops up now is, and hopefully this is showing, we'll see. The menu that pops up now is the System Properties menu, and I'm going to click on Environment Variables. Making sure I can do this. This was the Advanced System Settings. As you can see, let's make sure I'm sharing environment variables. Yep, that should be okay. And now what I want to do is come down in the environment variables window and click on path. Now, when I open path, these are all the values currently set there. Okay. Anything you type on any of these paths will be found in your Windows command prompt. So if you look, these things are put there by the system. This in particular, though, is the directory at which Python is installed, and pip is a script in Python. If you have Python downloaded and installed somewhere on your Windows box, then there should be a directory, a folder with Python in it. And a subdirectory, subfolder of that can be called scripts. And there's a bunch of things in scripts in addition to pip, but the main thing is pip is there. So you need to find what directory that is on your computer, add it to your path, then click OK. Click OK on everything else and get back out of here. Now let's see if I can share my command prompt. Okay. Now I opened a command prompt window. Again, I went to the search bar down at the bottom of the screen and typed CM and it matched command. It opened one for me. And the path to pip is part of my path environment variable. This should now work. It out, you should be able to type pip help. And this will tell you all about how pip, something like this, when you type pip help, and everything will work. Now you just type pip install Jupyter, and you'll see something like that where Jupyter notebooks are installed on your computer. And now to run it, you just type Jupyter notebook. And when you do that, and let me share my browser now, When you do that, you will now see the Jupyter Notebook home screen, which looks very similar to that from the Mac. Again, this is Chrome. If you're using something else, it'll be a little different. So hopefully this video will help you. If you do not, if you cannot find anything on your computer with pip in it, then the solution is to go back to python.org, download the latest version of Python. When that gets downloaded, open it to install. Come down here and select modify, add or remove individual features, and you will look and see, among other things, pip. Make sure this box is checked. If this box is checked, then when you install Python, you will have pip, and finding it in the, putting it in the path variable will solve the problem. So again, hopefully this is been useful for you, and now we'll stop this recording. Thank you.